How can drinking 8 glasses of water a day possibly help you achieve a smooth and glowing skin? If you have dry skin, acne, redness, or any other skin issues, then trust me when I say that it could. And if you want to know more, well, then stick on with me until the very end. Having clear skin can give you more confidence, make you more appealing to others, and generally just make you feel better all around. So how can you achieve this? Especially if you do not have a budget to experiment with different skincare products and undergo certain procedures that are all out there. Well, worry no more, because achieving a smooth skin does not have to be expensive or invasive. If you are ready to boost your self-esteem and gain confidence by having smooth and glowing skin, then try out these 10 natural remedies to achieve healthy and good-looking and radiant skin. And you can thank us later. You can easily find most of, if not all of these natural treatments in your own home. Keep in mind though that we have different skin types and different reasons why we are having acne and other skin problems. So stick around and I will explain more. Here at Healthee, we want to help you achieve all your health goals, including smooth skin and beautiful skin, by giving you budget-friendly options that you can try today. With that said, let's dive right on into it.
Number 10.
Honey and cinnamon mask. These first two are not only meant to be eaten as food, but can also be used in other ways. I know how much you love your oatmeal with honey and cinnamon, but today I am going to help you make your own facial mask with these ingredients. Honey's pollen and amino acids can soothe your skin with its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. According to a study in the 2017 from the National Library of Medicine, if you combine cinnamon bark extract and honey together and apply it to your skin, this will help with blocked pores and reduce the growth of acne. You will just have to mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of honey and then apply it to your face. Wait for at least 10 to 15 minutes before you rinse it off and reap immediate benefits. A bonus tip, if you can get your hands on Manuka honey, then that would be the best honey that you can apply to your face and skin. So, the next time before you prepare your oatmeal for breakfast, put on your honey and cinnamon mask first.
Number 9.
Apple cider vinegar. I know how bad this one smells, but apple cider vinegar has amazing health benefits and antibacterial properties. Besides, this is much more affordable than most cosmetic products. Compared to other kinds of vinegar, studies have shown that this particular kind of vinegar, apple cider vinegar, is capable of fighting off fungi and bacteria. Apple cider vinegar also contains citric acids and lactic acids. The latter helps in the improvement of the appearance of acne scars. Take note though, that if you have sensitive skin, it might actually irritate you. So do not go crazy in applying this. Try using it in moderation. Also, do not apply directly apple cider vinegar to your face, because you want to mix and dilute it with water and then gently pat the mixture to your face using a cotton ball. After a few seconds, rinse off your face. If you have serious acne and you are consulting a dermatologist, it is best if you consult with them first before you give this remedy a try. Additionally, if your scalp is dry or itchy, applying apple cider vinegar here can also help with any dry skin or discomfort you may be feeling. Just mix it with water and rinse through your hair a few times per week while you shower, and let the natural ingredients do wonders on your scalp. And a final bonus use, you can also add apple cider vinegar to your diet to also get amazing benefits. This is one of the best remedies around. So next time you see it at the store, you pick it up and add it to your cart.
Number 8.
With the essential oil, a little goes a long way. You can use this as a spot treatment that you can leave overnight. According to a small study conducted in 2019, tea tree oil is much more gentle on skin compared to benzoyl peroxide. If you are not sure about using oral antibiotics and topicals, then this is a great alternative. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, using tea tree oil will promote healing and help soothe any skin issues you may have. But since tea tree oil is potent, you might want to dilute it with water or other carrier oils like coconut or olive oil before you add it directly to your skin. So before you buy over-the-counter medicines or topicals, give tea tree oil a chance to do wonders to your skin. Turmeric. If you are feeling under the weather and are dealing with coughs and colds, you would certainly reach for this product in your kitchen. But this powerful spice will not only add flavor to your food, but it will also spice up your skincare routine. Turmeric contains curcumin, which is said to have natural antioxidant properties. When applied to your skin, it can also help you heal acne and treat issues caused by skin exposure. On the downside, turmeric might leave a yellowish stain on your skin. That is why I would suggest you mix turmeric with coconut or olive oil before you apply it directly to your skin. Ready to get naturally radiant skin? Then try turmeric right away.
Number 6.
Green tea. This is a popular weight loss drink and may have attested to its effects on the body, but since it contains very high antioxidants, it is also a good option to treat acne. According to a research done in 2017, polyphenols that are found in green tea fight off bacteria and lessen inflammation. When you drink it or use it directly on your skin for that matter, both will have a good effect on your skin. Instead of buying products that contain green tea extract, you can actually make it on your own. It'll work just as well. Have you tried any of these products that we have talked about on your skin before? Let us know in the comments. I bet you want to know what other natural skin remedies you can use to achieve a healthier and glowing skin. So let us get right to it. Moving on, we got 5 left.
Number 5.
Aloe vera. Who does not know about this one? Because if you have been looking for great products to use for your skin, chances are you already heard about this amazing aloe vera and its anti-inflammatory properties. Don't we all hate those red pimples, especially when you accidentally scratch them or irritate them? But if aloe vera can tame sunburns and other types of burns, then it will no doubt help you in calming down those red spots and breakouts. For people who are always worrying about their dry skin, you can use aloe vera gel as a moisturizer throughout the day. Many people are even storing this in the fridge because it is soothing to apply to their skin when it is cold. It really just feels great. You will thank me later for sharing this with you. Number 4. Lemons. Another popular weight loss drink made it to our list. You can use lemon juice to exfoliate your skin, considering that it is great in getting rid of dead skin cells. People have been using it for different skin conditions like sunburn, scars, acne, and warts. If you have sensitive skin, try to use a cotton swab with lemon juice in it before applying it to concerned areas. You can use it alone or with honey for more benefits and better results.
Number 3.
Yogurt. Before you eat this breakfast, try to incorporate it into your morning skin routine as well. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is great in gently exfoliating your skin. With how creamy it looks, you can easily use it as a moisturizer. Flavored yogurts are more delicious, I know, but if you are going to use it as a mess, then I would suggest you stick with the plain and unflavored yogurts. We all love that added glow, and yogurt is one of the easiest ways to achieve it.
Number 2.
Oatmeal mask. Okay, breakfast is complete. You might have noticed by now that most of these natural treatments are what we usually eat for breakfast. Well, I guess if you can eat it, you can also wear it. But kidding aside, if yogurt is best for people who do not have serious skin problems, then an oatmeal mask is the way to go if you have acne-prone skin or more serious dry skin issues. Oatmeal is more than just a common and popular grain, but it also contains natural calming properties. This would be best for oil absorption and exfoliating. Mix it with honey and a few drops of lemon juice, and then apply it to your face gently. Leave it in for a few minutes and before you wash it off with warm water. And number 1, water. And now for the most important remedy that we could ever suggest for healthy, clear, and glowing skin. Look no further than the old-fashioned H2O, baby. Some of you might think that there is really nothing special with water. You should have learned your lessons by now. You have to stay hydrated at all times because it will do wonders to your body and your skin as well. Do you think you can keep in the dewy and healthy glow without water? According to multiple studies, people who drank at least 8 glasses of water every day are less likely to have dry skin, wrinkles, and scars. Water can also make you less bloated in the morning, so make sure that you always have a water bottle with you at all times. If you want to know more hacks and solutions to keep your skin healthy, smooth, and glowing, then Healthee is the channel for you. If you like this video, then you will certainly love the next one, so buckle up because you are on your way to a healthier and more beautiful you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for our next video. We'll see you in the next one.